Good evening, all. Sanjeev Paruthi here for TSM, the Safety Master Private Limited. The purpose of coming live and online is to share my views on the ongoing COVID 19 pandemic situation worldwide. I think it has created a lot of problem for the whole world, and we all are fighting with the same issue. Uh, it has brought us to ground zero in terms of the business. Um, I wish I'm professionally a safety expert, and I see a lot of uh, things as solutions also to COVID 19. Although it has been shared by a lot of people in the social media and various open channels, but my brain says that if we keep now where companies are starting and factories are starting, business are starting everywhere, and common sense at workplace will bring the issue down, I think, to maximum extent. So I would like to share few points to you for what are those common sense points which we can all follow at our workplace, and by following these rules of safety towards coronavirus we can bring down this pandemic for ourselves at least. So if we take care of our safety first, then I think the issue will be less. So the responsibility should be, like, I can say that my safety is my responsibility. So that is the golden rule. So if all of us follow this golden rule that my safety is my responsibility, and we do not depend on others in this pandemic situation, then I think we can not only help ourselves, but also we can help the country, we can help the society, and we can help our company also, our employer also. So the first rule will be to maintain a social distance of 2 meters with your colleagues. So in the layout design, if it is not feasible to maintain 2 meters, try to change the things at your workplace. But please try to maintain 2 meters social distance. So this is the first rule. We should 100% follow. Second thing, what we should follow is uh, you know um, sanitization process of the workplace. So it can be done by 0.5% hypochlorite solution with water. So in a general layman language, it would be 10 times water than the hypochlorite solution. So we can spray with the air medium. So it makes a sense for us to sanitize our workplace with this process. Thirdly, we should use the personal protective equipments at workplace according to the situation, according to the zoning of the coronavirus. So if it is a hospital, I would say that you need a full body coverall to prevent the coronavirus. You need face shield, you need N95 mask, lot of things you need, and also other golden rules like social distancing and awareness. Secondly, if you are in a factory, then thermal screening, social distancing, N95 mask, gloves, you know, and so these kind of things we can take as PPEs. Other than that, we can improve our immunity also, our hygiene also. We need to wash our hands regularly. When I say regularly, it can be 1 minute also, but okay. So half an hour we should wash our hands. We shouldn't touch our face, nose, eyes, ears. We shouldn't touch. We should use tissue for touching or cleaning our face. Okay, and then we can also increase our immunity, like by taking hot water, steam, and those kind of things. Fresh water we can use. Avoid cold food. Avoid cold things. I mean, I am not a doctor, but definitely my personal experience. We can do pranayam. We can do yoga, which increases your immunity to a larger extent. If you do pranayam with the right technique, I think you can win over immunity issues very well. Do exercise, do walk in the fresh at least. Wake up early in the morning at 5:30. Once the lockdown opens up, do walk. Otherwise, you can do pranayam at home. Maintain social distance. I think these are the common things which anybody can follow and anybody can use to minimize the risk of COVID-19. Rest, my advice is just for awareness purpose. I am not a doctor. If you feel that you are having symptoms of coronavirus, like cold, cough, please show it to your doctor. Get the coronavirus test done. At workplace, keep the temperature and thermal screening on for all 100%. Maintain the social distance. And I think if again I'm closing the session with one golden rule, that if each one of us individually takes care of our own safety, and then I think it is very easy for us to beat coronavirus 19. Thank you for watching my session, and I think you can contact me at my number or email id at our website www.thesafetymaster.com. Thank you guys. Be in touch with me. Again, I am saying that safety first is the rule which we should all follow, and I think if safety first rule we follow, then I think we can win over any trouble, whether it is health related safety or if it is industrial safety. It is safety at home, safety with the child, safety with the women. I think we our society needs to wake up and makes this rule as golden rule, that safety first and safety is my responsibility. Our company's vision, TSM, the Safety Master Private Limited vision, is safer India, better world, and I think it makes a sense for all of us to follow this. And I request you, I urge you that please stay safe. Please follow safety rules as the number one rule in your life. A few days back, when I used to be of little more young age, at that time I used to say that no safety, no life. Okay, guys, friends, thank you very much for watching this, and I hope I have spoken naturally for the benefit of the community. And I think please make this rule, safety first, as your golden rule for your family. Thank you, guys. Stay safe.